So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a Richard Cut Professional. So today again long layers, which is called thin hair butterfly layers. My client had something like thin hair she haven't, and she's expecting something with more layer on the hair, and she wants something add more volume, and visible has to be flexible finishing on the layers. Finally, we choose with a long butterfly layers. Apart from that, little bit feather concept in the front frames, as it is the previous video what we done. But in this video is the interesting part, as you see in the before presentations and after presentations will be going to be show you end of the day. That will be something that's more prettiest important parts after the haircut, what stylings it will be suiting for every hair and how it will be going to be carried forward. So let's get dive into the haircut. So before diving, I might please, if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. Let's get started with the complete video right now. So all the section as it is took, and the back two sections will be going to be taking as the occipital bone section. So that is called a complete up to the haircut sectioning, as it is, which is previously what alls we followed. Nothing will be needed for each and every haircut, something is different, and kind of it will be different parts and all this. So all the sections got separated. Now help up to the comb, I'm going to be explaining you guys. See the front fringe portion, side portion and back portion, crown portion also express. Now I come to the back portion. So finally I'll come to the one length basic. After that, after finish the one length, I'm just going to be start with the bottom graduate layers, which can be elevate to that occipital bone to the crown area, and elevate the overall the layers and boost up to the something layers and carry forward the length remain the same, the foundations which we did it. So that things is majorly impacting for the guidelines, is major significant role to going to perform with complete of the entire haircut session. So the bottom haircut which we are doing it, this is a major roles and major guidelines will be going to be taking as overall entire hair. So why we just taking these guidelines as like entire haircut? The thing is, we just going to be save more length, more elevation of the butterfly layers. So all are well to understand about this haircut, and previous videos also will be explained the same things, which this is kind of simplest parts which we did it. And after that the haircut, I'm just cross checking both the sides. So after that I release with a small guideline I took for the crown section, and rest of the hairs I plaited, just separating in that portions, and finally I release the occipital bone to crown portions, which is called mid portions. And after that I'm just taking as the bottom layer haircut as a guideline and connecting as elevation layers, and just taking. So ensure we're just picking as thin sections and adding the layers. After that I'm cross checking. So after that I'll come to another side. The same way, just following a stationary guideline, and rest of the hair giving to the vertical raise up to the layering techniques step by step. After that I'm cross checking this side too. Finally I release the side portions. As you can just see in something as guidelines, and everything will be following the thin sections and just giving to the one line basic to before start the layering. So overall that it will be take caring something like carry forward with overall the bottom sections, which is without any unevenness with square layer in the bottom square length. And after that I pick from the stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be connect as layers. The step by step thin section you can just see in that, and I'll come to another section the same way, the step by step thin sections. So in this basically whenever we just going to be carry forward the layers, the elevations to short to long, why we just keeping on the overall hair, because the thing is we just keeping as length to be must save, and apart from that to be create the top of the layers. And after that I'm just cross checking completely, and after that I'll come to another side, the same technique I'm just going to carry forward with the same way and just giving to the one line basic, and top of that creating the layers. So which can be going to be carry forward clean and neat finishing, and it will be give something its proper evenness on the top to bottom on the even basic one also, and even elevations as well. So remember guys, whenever you do the any of long layers or any of elevation layers, the one line basic is majorly important and impact something complete of the haircut and all. So after that I'm just pick from the stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be connect in the layers. And thin section we just taking and just vertically and just taking as sections, and diagonally sliding up and just giving as layer overall. So this is called something like clean and neat finishing, when this pieces can be given to the proper finishing on the layers, and guideline also visible very clean and neat. And after that I'm just cross checking, and after this finishing I'm just releasing to the crown portions, horseshoe sections. And before that I'm just going to give something little feather movements on the side portions, which we done the layering on the top in the front frames, which can be visible something more clean and neat finishing on it. The same way to another side too. So remember guys, either whether your client was expecting on the feather frames or a feather between the layers, if they expected, please go through this and just add to some layers on the front frames without any collapsing on the length. After that I just release the horseshoe section, and taking as central exactly the crown in the crown section as a guideline, and rest of the hair going to be connect towards the 90-degree layers. A little bit the previous hair length is a little longer, is tucking in the between the hair and combs, just getting some little bit of tiny and tidiness. So before the cut the complete of the guideline, just rest of the elevate lengthy hair and just cut it out. And after that I pick my guideline and just give it the nice layers. And after that another side also will be same, but in the center crown sections has to be give it complete of the center 90-degree haircut, which can be a little bit of the O directions, and that can be provided clean and neat finishing layers. And after that I'm cross checking both the sides. Finally I come to fringe portions. Any haircut you can just do the fringe, which can be going to carry forward something clean and neat finishing, and give to the complete entire haircut is atmosphere and ambience. It will be really good on that. So remember guys, after the haircut you must ask with whether you're doing the fringes, cut and bangs, to ask to them how much short they want. So according to that, please follow the instructions and all. So after that, I'm just showing to my client with messy hair after the layers and just semi blow dry. I'm doing it. In top of that, I'm showing her with complete of natural look. And before that, I'm just ponytail also. I'm going to show her and lot more things, and then before they give the proper presentation. Finally, start with a spiral blow dry, which can be give clean and neat finishing on the overall the haircut. The blow dry is a significant role again. It's going to be performed, which can be carry forward the haircut finishings and the outmost looks. It will be flip in, flip out, in curls, out curls, all the things will be included, which can be visible. Haircut finishing was clean and neat, and that purpose it will be blow dry is one of the significant part which can be explore the complete of the haircut. So hope you all are enjoying the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and just do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For more regardings with any other doubts and questions, please go to the description I mentioned in the Facebook and Instagram page below. Please click on the link below and just join me over there. And please, if you have any doubts and questions, please ask me from over there. So this is going to be back portions got finished, and finally I come to the side portions. In the side portion, just giving with little bit of feather forwarding layer blow dry techniques, which can be why, because we did something slight feather forward on the blow like this haircuts. So that's the regards we can just doing the same blow dry waist technique. After that, I come to another side. That side also going to follow in the same technique. After that, I come to with the fringe portion. So finally, I'll come to front last fringe sections. The last finishing is going to be finished out. Last section. And after that, we're just releasing in the complete of the haircut and waiting for excitement after that, looking complete of the haircut transformations. So overall, the got released complete of the layers, looking very flexible and neat and clean finishing. That was looking completely bouncy and blushy finishing. It's coming out, and the haircut transformation is completely clean and neat, and the length was remained the same. You can just see clean and neat finishing from the front even though, and even my client was very much happy and doing of the same haircut, which can be complete of the transform the look. And she was pretty much excited to have a look forward something. It's new ambience for like, and see, you can just see the front fringes was looking very much voluminous and clean and blushy finishing. So after that, I'm just giving my hair client to be texture. Texture is a major part to something carry forward. It will be really nice and finishing it will be there, and the haircut will be long lasting, more help of this texture. And even if any hair will be unevenness, and even if didn't cutted hair also, it will become and merge in this. So many things are included in the whether you're doing the texture at all. So remember, after the long layers or graduations, whatever haircut you may can just do, after that mandatory for do the texture, which can be carry forward the layer cut. Finally, I'll come to the crown fringe box section. After that, I come to the take with the fringe section. Last section is going to be finish the texture. So this is a complete of the look, which is called complete of haircut transformation with butterfly layers. So hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.